Hello, hello testing, hello check.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the National University of Advanced Legal Studies, we extend a warm welcome to all. We have assembled here to witness the 19th annual convocation proceedings of our university. As you are aware, the erstwhile National Institute for Advanced Legal Studies, Nuals, was established in 2002 as a center of excellence for higher learning in law. With the invaluable contribution of all stakeholders and the consistent efforts of the authorities in particular, Nuals was able to transform into a university, with the Kerala legislature enacting the National University of Advanced Legal Studies Act in 2005. The eighth in the series of national law schools, Nuals aims to impart instruction with the most current pedagogy and to encourage and enhance quality legal research.
The 19th batch of the BA LLB Honours graduates admitted in 2020, the LLM graduates of the one-year LLM program admitted in 2024 are being awarded the degrees at this convocation. A candidate is also awarded the degree of Doctor of Philosophy in Law today. As part of the convocation, the Executive Council of the University, which met at 9:45 a.m. this morning, has supplicated grace on 121 candidates who were declared by the Board of Examiners to be qualified for their respective degrees. The proceedings of this convocation commences with a procession. The audience is requested to rise when the procession enters the convocation hall and remain standing till the dignitaries take their seats after the national anthem.
Dr. G.T. Reddy, Vice
Welcome address.
The Chief Guest of the occasion, Honorable Mr. Justice K. Vinod Chandran, Visitor of Nuals and Judge, Supreme Court of India, Honorable Mr. Justice Nitin Madhukar Jamdar, Chancellor of Nuals and Chief Justice of the High Court of Kerala, Dr. R. Bindu, Pro-Chancellor Nuals and Honorable Minister for Education, Government of Kerala in absentia, Honorable Advocate General of Kerala, Sri K. Gopalakrishna Kurup in absentia, Sri Advocate Ajit T.S., Chairman, Bar Council of Kerala in absentia, Sri Manoj Kumar Yan, the State Attorney, Sri K.G. Sanal Kumar, Law Secretary to the Government of Kerala, Honorable Members of the Executive Council, General Council and Academic Council, Members of the Faculty, family members of the students, dear students, members of the staff, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. As Martin Luther King says, we gather today in faith that though the arc of the moral universe is long, it can be bent toward justice by the work of committed lawyers and judges. I am extremely happy to welcome all of you to the 19th annual convocation of the National University of Advanced Legal Studies, Nuals, our most important occasion. Today is the culmination of the concerted efforts of 72 BA LLB honors students, 50 LLM students and 1 PhD scholar who are going to receive the degrees of BA LLB honors, LLM and PhD. The National University of Advanced Legal Studies, Kochi, initially established by the Bar Council of Kerala Trust in 2002, was later brought under the Nuals Act of 2005 of the Kerala State Legislature. Recognized by the UGC and by the Bar Council of India, Nuals is a member of the Association of Indian Universities and the Consortium of National Law Universities. Presently, Honorable Mr. Justice K. Vinod Chandran, Judge, Supreme Court of India, is the visitor of Nuals. Honorable Mr. Justice Nitin Madhukar Jamdar, the Chief Justice of the High Court of Kerala, is the Chancellor of Nuals. Dr. R. Bindu, the Honorable Minister for Higher Education, Kerala, is the Pro-Chancellor of Nuals. The governance of Nuals rests with the General Council, the Executive Council, Academic Council, consisting of eminent members from the judiciary, executive, legislature, and academia. I am grateful for the support given by the visitor, the Chancellor, the Pro-Chancellor, and members of the Executive Council, General Council, and Academic Council for the efficient conduct of the affairs of the university. The university aims to advance and disseminate legal knowledge, strengthen professional legal education, promote legal and judicial reforms, and develop socially responsible lawyers equipped with advocacy skills, legal service competence, and commitment to nation building. Currently, the faculty of Nuals comprises of 11 regular, 2 tenure track, 1 contract on a rolling basis, 17 guest faculty members. In addition, there are 10 adjunct professors from the higher judiciary and 12 professors and associate professors from the legal profession. We also have 2 professors from United States of America and 1 professor from Europe as a visiting faculty. At present, Nuals is home to a vibrant and diverse academic community comprising 560 students across various programs. we have 424 students enrolled in the BA LLB Honours program, forming the core of our undergraduate cohort. Our one-year LLM program currently has 73 students in 3 branches of specialization, while 32 dedicated research scholars are pursuing their PhD studies. In addition, 15 students are enrolled in the executive LLM program, 5 students are pursuing the integrated LLM PhD pathway, and 27 students are undertaking postgraduate diploma programs. I am proud to share that the Nuals Library has expanded its resources with a new Bayrax collection, including 339 titles and subscriptions to leading legal databases like Hain Online, CaseMine, Jamdar, and LiveLaw, making these available on campus and remotely via our secure network for students, research scholars, and faculty. Our library is now a vibrant hub of knowledge, offering a diverse range of books, e-books, journals, and online resources with aesthetically designed bookshelves that make studying easier and more enjoyable. Thanks to the valuable input from these stakeholders, the acquisition of new titles is nearly complete, reinforcing our commitment to academic excellence and lifelong learning. We are determined to continue to make the most of these resources and inspire a legacy of scholarship and advocacy at Nuals. I am happy to inform you that the Analog Corner, a unique initiative of encouraging the students to make use of the analog resources at the Nuals Library and on the Nuals campus and other facilities, has been inaugurated by the Chancellor, Hon'ble Justice Nitin Madhukar Jamdar today, that is 3rd January 2025. This is a unique initiative by any of the national law schools. Rupees 75 lakhs have been allotted by the state government for improving the facilities and resources in the library, including the purchase of books, and Nuals is extremely grateful for the fine gesture. This financial year, the state government has allotted 1,168 lakhs under various heads for the development of the physical infrastructure at Nuals. The government has been supporting Nuals in all its developmental activities. With the help of the Kerala government, we hope to expand the infrastructural facilities like acquisition of land for M.K. Damodaran Center for Excellence, increasing the capacity of the girls and boys hostels, and construction of an international students hostel. The university has 16 specialized centers for study and research, along with the senior advocate M.K. Damodaran International Center of Excellence in Law, focusing on research, training, publications, policy inputs, and social outreach. All the centers have been conducting number of workshops, seminars, and research activities in the identified fields of law. To name a few, during the last academic year, Nuals has conducted a series of academic events. The 5th Barrister M.K. Nambiar Law Lecture was organized by the Nuals this year, and it was a reflection and scholarly tribute to one of the India's most eminent constitutional lawyers. The lecture was delivered by Sri Dama Sheshadri Naidu, Senior Advocate, Supreme Court of India, and formerly a judge of Kerala and Bombay High Courts, on the theme, The Rule of Law, a Foundational Principle or a Fragile Promise, examining the evolution, significance, and contemporary challenges of the rule of law in India and beyond. The Center for Parliamentary Studies and Law Reforms organized an article writing competition, conducted special lectures and conclaves, and offered a PG certificate course in the area of international investment arbitration. The Center for Law and Development organized the National Trial Advocacy Competition, envisioned with a purpose to enhance the participants' practical legal skills and to promote deeper understanding of the judicial process and importance of rule of law. The Center for Women and Family Studies organized multiple national workshops, seminars, symposium, and awareness programs. It conducted competitions, creative events, training sessions, special talks, and sensitization programs related to women's rights, gender justice, empowerment, and campus safety. The Interdisciplinary Center for Social Justice conducted special lectures and memorial sessions focusing on social justice, constitutional values, and affirmative action. The Center for Intellectual Property Rights introduced new publication features on intellectual property updates, conducted national essay writing competitions, organized webinars, and hosted special lecture series on evolving themes in intellectual property and its intersections with emerging fields. The Center has also published its prestigious journal, this latest of which will be released in this convocation today. The Center for Human Rights organized panel discussions, awareness programs, and outreach activities focusing on student rights, discipline, and legal literacy. The Center has also organized an international seminar this year. The Center for Sports Sciences and Yoga Studies organized sporting events and tournaments aimed at promoting physical activity, teamwork, and wellness among students, faculty, and staff. The Center, in association with the Additional Skill Acquisition Program, Government of Kerala, offered 30 hours certificate course in yoga in February and March 2025. The Center for Sports Sciences and Yoga Studies and the NSS unit of Nuals conducted a football penalty shootout competition. Shri Jagdeep Dhankar, the Honorable Vice President of India, visited Nuals on 7th July 2025 to interact with the faculty and students and shared his insights on constitutional governance and encouraged scholarly encouragement with contemporary legal issues. The Honorable Vice President was accompanied by his better half, Dr. Sudesh Dhankar, during his visit to Nuals. The program was also graced by Sri Rajendra Arlekar, Governor of Kerala, Sri P. Rajiv and Dr. R. Bindu, Honorable Ministers of Government of Kerala, apart from many other dignitaries. Dr. Justice A.K. Jayashankaran Nambiar inaugurated and delivered the keynote address for the International Seminar on Digital Economy and Crossing the Borders, Issues and Challenges of Market Regulation. Mr. Justice Shyam Kumar VM delivered the valedictory address. The Nuals Legal Aid Clinic achieved national recognition as its project Pragati won first runners-up in the Innovative Social Initiative category at the Bhumi Campus Awards 2025 held in December 2025 at the Asian College of Journalism, Chennai. The faculty members participated in numerous national and international seminars, chaired sessions, delivered invited lectures, published books, articles, and research reports. The students also contributed to academic writing, participated in competitions, and engaged in research projects across various centers. Justice Anil K. Narendran, Justice C.S. Dayas, Justice N. Nagaresh, Justice A. Badaruddin, Learned Advocate General Sri Gopalakrishna Kurup, State Attorney Sri N. Manoj Kumar, Sri Ajit T.S., Chairman Bar Council of Kerala, and many other dignitaries have visited Nuals on numerous occasions and have given their invaluable insights and inputs for making Nuals a more vibrant and happening law university. Nuals National Moot Court Competition 2025 second edition was conducted in October 2025. The final rounds were presided over by 3 sitting judges of the Kerala High Court, namely Justice Bechu Kurian Thomas, Justice Gopinath P., Justice Harishankar V. Menon. The students of Nuals participated for the first time and were the winners of the first edition of the Commercial Trial Advocacy Competition held at the Tamil Nadu National Law University. Launched in 2014, NIMLAC was the first moot in India dedicated exclusively to maritime arbitration, a field of growing global relevance as international trade, shipping, and cross-border commerce expand. Since inception, the competition has attracted participation from premier law schools across India and abroad, offering students a rigorous platform to engage with contemporary legal challenges in maritime law and arbitration. Over the years, NIMLAC has collaborated with renowned names in maritime arbitration, including Rajat and Tan, Asia, Calidus Legal, ZBA, and Nimble Legal, United Arab Emirates. Building on 6 successful editions, NIMLAC has grown not only in scale but in impact, establishing itself as a premier platform for maritime law advocacy while maintaining its legacy through community goodwill and encouragement. Nuals' team was the semi-finalist of the South Asian rounds of the FDI International Investment Arbitration Moot 2025 and also has successfully participated and received the 5th Best Respondent Memorial in the global rounds of the FDI International Investment Arbitration Moot 2025 held at Suffolk University, Boston, United States of America. Nuals has emerged as the second runner-up in the 19th Pro Bono Enviro National Moot Court Competition. The team also emerged as semi-finalists in the 6th Kerala Law Academy Trial Advocacy Competition 2025 and as the first runner-up in the 2nd Civil Trial Advocacy Competition, School of Law, Christ University. As regards the placement, the university could assist placing around 94% placements in 2025, 12 in litigation, 42 placed in firms and corporate offices, 6 pursuing LLM and others preparing for judicial, civil services and other competitive examinations. As regards the examination performance, the pass percentage for the BA LLB Honours Degree Program during the last year has been 91.89%, with many first class with distinction, and 65 first class, and 1 year LLM degree program is 100% with 4 first class with distinction and 45 first class and 1 PhD degree awarded. With regard to the Memoranda of Understanding and Collaborations, in the recent years, Nuals has actively expanded its collaborative network to strengthen academic growth and professional engagement. We have signed important Memoranda of Understanding with institutions such as the National Academy of Customs, Indirect Taxes and Narcotics, NACIN, and the Institute of Constitutional and Parliamentary Studies, ICPS, New Delhi. Collaboration with the Kerala Real Estate Regulatory Authority, RERA, and the Kerala State Judicial Academy is in the pipeline. In addition to these major partnerships, we have also pursued meaningful collaborations with the Institute of Company Secretaries of India, ICSI, the Shastri Indo-Canadian Institute, SICI, New Delhi, and the Nest Digital Academy, Kochi. These initiatives reflect our commitment to fostering academic excellence, enhancing interdisciplinary learning, and building strong institutional connections that benefit our students, researchers, and faculty. As regards the endowments, during the last 1 year, Sri K.K. Venugopal, Senior Advocate and former Attorney General of India, has contributed a generous fund of Rs 8 lakhs for organizing the NIMLAC Moot Court competition at Nuals this year. Sri M.G. Mahadevan, former Registrar, Nuals, has instituted a gold medal in memory of late Dr. Narayanan Nair, one of the founders of Nuals, by contributing an amount of Rs 2.5 lakhs. Nuals shall remain grateful to all the philanthropists and donors for encouraging the students, including those who already instituted the gold medals and other prizes. The way forward. As we look ahead, the National University of Advanced Legal Studies stands at the threshold of an exciting new chapter. Our vision for the future is bold, purposeful, and aligned with the demands of a rapidly transforming legal landscape. One of our foremost priorities is the acquisition of additional land for M.K. Damodaran Center, which will allow us to expand our academic ecosystem and establish an advanced hub for research, training, and policy engagement. We are committed to introducing new academic programs in frontier areas of law, like the technology law, artificial intelligence and law, maritime law, competition law, entertainment law, and medical law, ensuring that our students are future ready and equipped to navigate emerging legal challenges. In the coming years, we aim to build a powerful collaboration with the Kerala Police Academy, enabling specialized training, criminology-focused courses, and field-based experiential learning for our students. Nuals will also work towards launching diploma programs with NASIN in taxation, customs, and related areas, broadening a professional pathways for learners across sectors. Another major initiative on the horizon is the introduction of the Doctor of Laws, that is the LLD program, which will position Nuals as a center for advanced legal research center and attract distinguished scholars and practitioners from across the nation. As we reflect on these accomplishments, I extend my deepest gratitude to the Government of Kerala, the Bar Council of India, the Bar Council of Kerala, the Advocate General, the State Attorney, the members of all the 3 governing councils, the faculty, colleagues, administrative staff, parents, the sponsors of endowments, and our inspiring students. Nuals now stands among the top 10 national law universities in India. Our aspiration is to be among top 10 in the Asia Pacific within the next 5 years and one of the finest law universities globally within the decade. Dear graduates, you now join the proud lineage of Nuals alumni. As you step into your professions, remember that the world needs not just lawyers, but guardians of justice, individuals who possess not only legal acumen, but also empathy, integrity, and moral courage. Dear graduating students and scholars, like the traveler in Robert Frost's poem, you stand today at a fork in the road. The choices you make with courage, conviction, and compassion will shape not only your future, but the future of the society you serve. From the halls of Nuals, your dreams now take flight. Your wisdom will shine as a guiding light. With law as your compass, bold paths you will trace, and a future of justice awaits with hope and grace. Thank you. I request the Honorable Chancellor now to kindly declare the convocation open.
I declare the convocation open.
May I request the Honorable Chancellor to start the proceedings for the award of the degree.
Let the candidates for the degree rise. Do you promise that you will faithfully and carefully fulfill the duties of the profession for which you have qualified yourself, that you will on all occasions maintain its purity and reputation, and that you will never deviate from the straight path of its honorable exercise by making your knowledge subservient to unworthy ends.
Dr. Anil R. Nair, Chairman Board of Studies UG, will now present the candidates for admission to the BA LLB Honours degree by the Honourable Chancellor. Sir, please.
Mr. Chancellor, I have the honour to present to you the candidates for the degree of Bachelor of Arts and Bachelor of Laws Honours. They have been found qualified for the BA LLB Honours degree, to which I pray they may be admitted.
The candidates for taking degree of BA LLB Honours in person will please stand forward. By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Chancellor of the National University of Advanced Legal Studies, Kochi, I admit you to the degree of Master of Laws, the degree of Bachelor of Arts and Bachelor of Law Honours in this university.
The Chairman, Board of Studies, UG, will now read out the names of the candidates receiving the BA LLB Honours degree in person. The candidates, as their names are called, may please proceed to receive the degree.
Elizabeth Cherian, Anugrah Anna Shaju, Ruth Varghese, Parvati Menon, Meenakshi Gopakumar, Mohammad Shinaf A, S. Aishwarya, Anuvind P, Pranav M.A., Sugarta Jairam, Maheshwar, Abhinav Paul Matthew, Sriram Sajit, Nazrin Nazir, Aishwarya PJ, Ananda Padmanabhan, K.S. Ganeshan, Parvati Chandran P.M., R. Akash Krishnan, Aravind G, Gayatri Menon, Devika Krishnan, Tinu George, Shani A.R., S. Anupama, Gogul K. Sunoj, K. M. Thomas, Navanita Manu, Rahul Joseph Stephen, Tirtha Ayyappa, Shwetank Parthsarathi, Shivani Jadavedan, Aditi Singh, Ananya Bhatt, Muhammad Dulkar Shan, Geetu V.A., Ekananda Nayaka S., Shivangar, Alia Nazreen Anas, Aditya S.R., Ria Elizabeth James, Ivania Mariam Paul, Shweta Matthews, Tushar Sadanand, Meghna S.S., Aishwarya S. Unitan, Jerome Vishin, Varsha Thomas, Naveen Prince, P.P. Leah Fatima, V. Harshavardhan, Yuvraj Singh, Parvati P., Anagha Ramdas, Anjaneya Singh, Yuvraj Prakhar Singh, Arshia Ann Joy, Isika Agarwal, Tambaya Jairam, Rehan Paul Matthew, Rinjal Benny, Arjun K. Pratap,
The Chairman, Board of Studies UG, would now read out the names of the candidates receiving the BA LLB Honours degree in absentia for admission by the Honourable Chancellor.
Piyush Raj Singh, Shalini S, Tejaswati Singh, Mohit Mohan, Tony Leo Jose, Nandini Mittal, Malavika S. Nair, Akash Ajay Kumar.
I admit them to the BLLB Honours degree in absentia.
Dr. Balakrishnan K, Chairman, Board of Studies PG, will present the candidates for admission to the LLM degree by the Honourable Chancellor. Sir, please.
Mr. Chancellor, I have the honor to present to you the candidates for the degree of Master of Laws, LLM. They have been found qualified for the LLM degree, to which I pray they may be admitted.
The candidates taking the degree of Master of Laws in person will please stand forward. By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Chancellor of the National University of Advanced Legal Studies, Kochi, I admit you to the degree of Master of Laws in this university.
We request the Chairman, Board of Studies PG, to read out the names of candidates receiving the LLM degree in person. The candidates, as their names are called, may please proceed to receive the degree.
Anjali Krishna. Anmol Gupta. Ancila Maria Isaac. Anu Harshita CS. Anuinda M. Arjun R. Digvijay Ganpati. Fatima Fida N. Gayatri Ashish Nair. Krishnendu Raj. Meera S. Gopan. Nibrad Mishra. Sunisha Sunand K.S. Gobinathan K.J. Abhish B.S. Afra Rahiman. Akhil R. Akshay Ashok, Anantakrishnan P, Anirudh Kumar, Gopika Mahesh, Hafsa M.M., Harita Shivadas, Jemima B.S., Mahima Marine Reggie, Melvin Cherry Sam, Mainma Merlin Alexander, Nevin Kochi John, Nirmal Mary, Bharat Shankar P.S., Aditya K.P., Adish A.S., David Vergis Thomas, Gayatri P.R., Georgia Maria George, Vishnudev Joshi, Meghna R. Gupta, Devanarayanan A.B., Anushri M.G., Anna Reggie,
The Chairman, Board of Studies, PG, would now read out the name of the candidates receiving the LLM degree in absentia for admission by the Honorable Chancellor.
The candidates receiving the degree in absentia are Al-Hena Safir, Neha Shahjan, Fatimat Usaima, Mubashir Ali Khan, Samyukta P. Menon, Shimleel Ibrahim T., Ragesh R., Nandini, Atul Sundar, and Shivaganga Shivaprakash Reshmi.
I admit them to the degree of Master of Laws in absentia.
The Chairman, Board of Studies PG, will present the candidate for admission to the PhD degree by the Honorable Chancellor.
The candidates taking the degree of Doctor of Philosophy in person will please stand forward. By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Chancellor of the National University of Advanced Legal Studies, I admit you to the degree of Doctor of Philosophy in this university.
We request the Chairman, Board of Studies PG, to read out the name of the candidate receiving the PhD degree in person. The candidate, as her name is called, may please proceed to receive the degree.
Manasi Muralidharan.
Thank you, sir. It is now time for the award of medals. First, the C.K. Shivashankara Panikar Memorial Endowment Gold Medal for the first rank holder of the BA LLB Honours degree. Late C.K. Shivashankara Panikar was the Advocate General and the Chairman, Bar Council of Kerala. A doyen among the lawyers, he had also served in the capacity of the President of the Kerala High Court Bar Association. In that capacity, he was instrumental in the conception of the Advocates Welfare Fund scheme. Loved and respected by all, he was associated with several social and cultural organizations. He has also authored several books related to law and literature.
He was an inspiration for budding lawyers. We are happy to announce the award of the C.K. Shivashankara Panikar Medal, instituted in his memory by the members of his family and well-wishers. The award is for the first rank holder of the BA LLB Honours degree. The Chairman, Board of Studies, UG, will announce the name of the recipient. We request Advocate Shivashankar Panikar, grandson of late C.K. Shivashankara Panikar, to kindly hand over the medal to our Chief Guest, Honorable Mr. Justice K. Vinod Chandran, Judge, Supreme Court of India, who will award it to the candidate.
The C.K. Shivashankara Panikar Memorial Endowment Gold Medal 2025 goes to Ms. Ananya Bhatt.
Thank you, sir. Justice V.R. Krishna Iyer Memorial Endowment Gold Medal is instituted by the Sharada Krishna Sadgamaya Foundation for Law and Justice. It is awarded to the student with highest credits in constitutional law. As you all are aware, Justice V.R. Krishna Iyer has contributed immensely to the growth of jurisprudence and the rule of law in the country. A brilliant and eminent lawyer, the first Home Minister of the state of Kerala, member of the Law Commission, judge at the Kerala High Court and the Supreme Court, Justice Iyer lives high in the hearts of many. The downtrodden, the poor, the laborers, the peasants, the socially displaced and deprived, besides the vast community of jurists, lawyers, and other intellectuals.
He was closely associated with Nuals from its very inception. Justice Iyer had donated valuable books to the Nuals library, enabling us to open a V.R. Krishna Iyer corner. We are happy to announce the Justice V.R. Krishna Iyer Memorial Endowment Gold Medal to the student with the highest credits in Constitutional Law of BA LLB Honours degree examination. The Chairman, Board of Studies UG, will announce the name of the recipient. We request Senior Advocate B.V. Siddharthan, Vice President, Sharada Krishna Sadgamaya Foundation for Law and Justice, to kindly hand over the medal to our Chief Guest, who will award it to the candidate.
The Justice V.R. Krishnaiyer Memorial Endowment Gold Medal 2025 goes to Ms. Ananya Bhatt.
Thank you, sir. Next is the T.R. Raman Pilla Memorial Endowment Gold Medal instituted in memory of late Shri T.
Shared by Ms. Afra Rahman and Ms. Jemima B.S.
Thank you, sir. It is now our great honor and privilege to welcome the chief guest for today's convocation, Honorable Mr. Justice K. Vinod Chandran, Judge of the Supreme Court of India and visitor, Nuals. Born on 25th of April 1963, Justice K. Vinod Chandran obtained his law degree from the Kerala Law Academy Law College, Thiruvananthapuram, and began his legal practice in 1991. He served as Special Government Pleader for Taxes for the Government of Kerala from 2007 to 2011 before being sworn in as an additional judge of the High Court of Kerala on 8th of November 2011 and later as a permanent judge with effect from 24th of June 2013. His judicial journey continued with his appointment as the Chief Justice of the Patna High Court on 29th of March 2023 and culminated in his elevation as a judge of the Supreme Court of India, where he took oath on 16th of January 2025.
Respected Chief Guest, Honorable Mr. Justice K. Vinod Chandran, Judge, Supreme Court of India and visitor Nuals. May we have the honor to request you, sir, to deliver the convocation address.
You'll excuse me for not wearing the cap. It's smaller for my head and it's difficult to balance when you speak. Honorable the Vice Chancellor, Honorable the Chief Justice of Kerala, Justice Nitin Jamdar, the Chancellor, the Vice Chancellor, Dr. Reddy, my esteemed brothers, Justice Anil Narendran and Justice Gopinath, other dignitaries on the dais and in the audience, my dear students, their family members. Today's convocation is in celebration of the students who have graduated successfully. You are in the cusp of a major upheaval in your life. In the coming few years, you will have to decide and choose the path you will tread in the profession or otherwise. In the earlier times, we did not have so much opportunities. As far as we were concerned, after you obtain the graduation, if you don't join a senior at the bar, then the LLB was just an ornamental adornment, or most often a skeptical addition to your name. Now the canvas is larger. You have many opportunities. You can join the confines of a corporate world, a lucrative position in a big law firm, or a fruitful pursuit of academics, and also the profession. I noticed that the profession is the last priority for the students these days. The Vice Chancellor in his opening speech was referring to 95% of placements. It is time for introspection. And I should say the 6% who out of choice or forced destiny had to join the profession, your choice may lead to probably the post occupied by C.K. Shivashankaran Nair, one of the eminent attorney generals of the state, or even that occupied by Justice V.R. Krishnaiah, a judge of the Supreme Court who is known all over the world. The profession, which I say is practice in courts, offers you more freedom than you can expect, more challenges than you would ever have in anywhere else, and the opportunities it proffers may not be available at other places. The academics and those who are engaged in the industry of law may not take me amiss. I do not mean any disrespect to them, but I am an ardent proponent of the profession that is practiced in courts. Naturally, that is the place I come from. I would not employ the usual, you would have heard about the cliched 5 stages of an advocate with reference to the number of briefs and the income earned. I would say it has 3 phases: on the streets, in the corridors, and inside the courts. Not literally, of course. In the initial stages, you are prone to wander endlessly and aimlessly. My only prayer is that wherever you are, in whichever placement you are continuing, while you chase your dreams, ensure that you also help the nation and the citizens realize their dreams. We have a lot of expectation for you. Hearty congratulations and welcome to the profession of law. And let me also say, we expect the best from you. See, once I was asked, again coming back to the profession, somebody told me, some student told me that I would like to be in your place where I have reached. Let me tell you candidly that it requires more than a mere graduation or even a graduation with distinction. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. The outreach of Nuals to the society is enhanced through the quality and variety of its publications. It is a matter of immense satisfaction for Nuals that we have 2 books edited by learned members of the faculty, 1 journal, and 3 newsletters for release at this convocation. The first book release is titled Bridging Justice, the Legal Aid Clinic Year in Review. We request Dr. Aparna Sri Kumar, editor of the book, to kindly hand over the book to our chief guest who will release the same. Thank you, sir. The second book for release is titled Content in Context, Legal Frameworks for Media and Entertainment in the Digital Age. We request Mr. Hari S. Nair and Dr. Nandita Narayan, editors of the book, to kindly hand over the book to our chief guest who will release the same.
Thank you, sir. The journal for release is the 6th volume of the annually published Nuals Intellectual Property Law Review, brought out by the Center for Intellectual Property Rights Studies. We request Dr. Adira P.S., Director of the Center and Editor of the journal, to kindly hand over the journal to the Honorable Chancellor, who will release the same. Thank you, sir. The newsletter for release highlights the major events in Nuals during the past 3 quarters. We request Professor Dr. G.B. Reddy, Vice Chancellor, Nuals, to proudly hand over the newsletters to the Honorable Chancellor, Nuals, who will release the same.
Thank you, sir. We now request the Honorable Chancellor to dissolve the convocation.
I now dissolve the convocation.
Raman Pilla started his practice at the sub-court in Vaikam in 1950. He was appointed as additional government pleader and public prosecutor in the year 1961 and later was appointed as the district government pleader. Sri Raman Pilla has appeared for the defense